Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about rounding of the numbers. So why we are actually doing this rounding of number to make our calculation very simpler. Maybe during the estimated calculations and all, if it is rounded off, it will be very easy for us to do the calculation. So for rounding of the numbers, we need to follow certain rules and regulations. We'll check one by one as now. So before proceeding, I just have an example over here, so it will be very easy for us. Yeah, so I will be writing some example 4, 5, 6, 7 and 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we'll see the rules as such. Now I need to round it off to the nearest 1000. This is my question. Okay, so what is my first rule? Check for the place where we need to round it off. What place I told? We need to round it off to the nearest 1000. So which is my thousandth place? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So this is my thousandth place. Over here also this is my thousandth place. I'm having two example as of now. Okay, so what is my second rule? Check the immediate rightmost digit. What is the immediate rightmost digit for this 4? This is 5. And what is the immediate rightmost digit for this 4? It is 3. Now we'll check the next condition. See here, if the rightmost digit is less than 5, then leave the given place value where we need to round it off as such. Okay, so in this condition, our rightmost digit is less than 5. No. So move for the next example. Here it is less than 5. Yes. Okay. Then what you have to do? You have to leave this 4 as such. Okay. Now we'll see the next rule. If the rightmost digit is 5 or more than 5, so it is in this case, right? In this example, it is 5 or more than 5. Then what I need to do? Then the given place value where we need to round it off must be added with 1. Okay. So now this is the place value. I need to round it off. So it should be added with 1. So now what is going to happen? 5, 5, 6, 7. And this is nothing. It is going to be as such only because it is less than 5. So I cannot change the number. So it will be as such. Now we'll check the last condition. Now all the rightmost digit of the given place value where we need to round it off should be replaced with 0. So here in this example, this is the place we need to round it off, right? So all the digits rightmost place can be changed with zeros. Yes, and here also all these should be changed to zeros. Okay, so here this value, so this value, that is 4,561, is rounded off to 5,000, and 4,321 is rounded off to 4,000. These are all the rules for rounding off the numbers. Now let's see one example for each place value. Now this is the thing for rounding off to the nearest 10. So let's start with some example. Okay. So here what is our 10th place? First step is what? I need to find the place where I need to round it off. This is my 10th place, and this example, this is my 10th place. Okay, first step is over. What is the second step? Check the immediate rightmost digit. What is the immediate rightmost digit? Whether it is less than 5 or greater than 5. Okay, yeah, it is less than 5. So what you need to do? You have to keep the place number as such. So before the place value, we need to write all the numbers. So now my place value, I have where I need to round it off, it should be there as such. Okay, if it is less than 5 means. Then what will be our final step? So for the place value where we need to round it off, to the right side, whatever digits are there, we need to change it to 0. So 2, 3, 4. Leftmost will be there as such. No changes on the leftmost digit, only on the rightmost digit. So what is my rightmost? How many digits are there? Only one digit. So instead of 4, I need to write it as 0. So this is the answer, rounding off to the nearest 10 for the given question. Now here, what is my first step? First I that means marked the place value, that is 10th place. Now I need to check the immediate rightmost digit. Yeah, it is 5. If it is 5, that means 5 or greater than 5 means we need to add +1 to the place value where I need to round it off. Then what will happen? So I need to add +1 to the place where I want to change. So it is 55978 1. So now what is the next step? We completed first two steps. The third step is for the place value where you need to round it off to the right side, all the digits should be converted to 0. So 50. So this is the answer for this question, and this is the answer 23450 for this question. Both the question is for rounding off to nearest 10. Now we'll see rounding off to nearest 100. So we'll take some other question. See now first here check the place. So what is nearest to 100, right? So just mark the 100 position and take next step is what? I have to check the immediate rightmost digit, which is 5. If it is 5 or greater than 5, I need to add a +1 to the place where I want to round it off. I want to round it off 100th place now, so I need to add 1 over there. So 4, 5, 5, 3, 2. So what will be the next step? Where you want to round it off, the digits on the rightmost all should become 0. So what is the answer now? 23500 is the answer. That means rounding off to 23,454 is 23,500. Now we'll do the same rounding off nearest 100 for this question. So first we are marking the 100th place. The second step we are checking the immediate rightmost digit. So it is less than 5. So no changes for the place value. Now what is the last sorry, here what is the last step? Whatever rightmost digit we are having for the place value where you need to round it off, we have to convert it into zeros. So 187,900 is the answer. So just we'll see the next one, rounding off to nearest 1000. So this is the question. See, first we need to mark the 1000th place. So here the 1000th place is this. So check for the immediate rightmost digit. It is less than 5. So write it as such. But what is the last step? The rightmost, all the rightmost digits should be converted to 0. So 23000. Why we are converting all these to 0? Because this is the place where we want to round it off. So all the digits to the rightmost of that place value will be converted to 0. Now in this question, what is the 100,000th place? It is 7. So check for the immediate rightmost digit. It is 9, greater than 5. So what I need to do, I need to add 1 to the place where I want to round it off. So this is the place where I want to round it off. So just do that one. 8, 8, 1. So now what is the next step? Final step. So this is the place value I want to round it off, right? All the rightmost digits should be converted to the 0. So 188,000. This is the answer. So let's see, next one is rounding off to the nearest 10,000. So here what is the 10,000th place? So this is your 10,000th place. So check the immediate rightmost digit. It is less than 5. So no need to do anything. What is our final step? So for the given place value, all the rightmost digits are to be converted to 0. So the answer is 20000. So that is 20,000 is the answer. Here what is the 10,000th digit? So it is the 10,000th digit. So, right. So just check the immediate rightmost digit. So it is greater than 5. So I need to add to the place where I need to round it off. So the 10,000th place is here. So I need to round it, add 1, 197945. So what is the next step? The rightmost digit of the place value all should be converted to 0. So 0000. So this is the answer for this question. So hope you understood rounding off the given numbers. Thank you. Bye.